Hello and welcome to these maths tutorials with TB Tutor. In this video, we will be looking at parallel and perpendicular lines. Lines that are parallel have the same gradient. For example, y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals 2x minus 2 are parallel because they both have a gradient of 2. The gradient is given by a change of 3 units in y divided by 1.5 units in x, which equals 2. Question: are the lines given by the equations below parallel? Y equals minus 3x plus 4 and 3y plus 9x equals 3. The first equation is in the form y equals mx plus c, so we can see the gradient is minus 3. But the second equation needs to be rearranged. Firstly, take 9x away from both sides of the equal sign. Then divide both sides of the equal sign by 3. The lines are parallel with a gradient of minus 3. Perpendicular lines cross each other at right angles. To work out if two lines are perpendicular, we multiply their gradients together. If the lines are perpendicular to each other, the product of their gradients will be minus 1. In this example, the gradients are 0.33 and minus 3. 0.33 times minus 3 equals minus 1. The product is minus 1, and therefore the lines are perpendicular. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have found it useful, please like and subscribe to see more content.